Dear students, today I am going to explain classification of periodic table into blocks. This is very important question for 4 marks. Here, based on differentiating electron entering subcell, the periodic table is classified into 4 blocks. What are the blocks? S block, P block, D block and F block elements. This is the outer line of periodic table, how the elements are classified into blocks. Here this is S block, 2 groups, and right side of the periodic table is P block, 6 groups, and at the middle of the periodic table D block, 10 groups, and F block at the bottom. Now let me explain the S block. In S block, why we called it is S block? We already know that the differentiating electron is the factor whether the element belongs to S block or P block. Now I want to give one more example to this. Suppose if I take sodium element, let us check whether this sodium belongs to S block or not. Sodium atomic number is 11, so therefore 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1 is the electronic configuration. The outermost electronic configuration is 3s1 and the last electron we call that is differentiating electron, valence electron entering into S subcell. Therefore, sodium belongs to S block. Similarly, the remaining elements which are in first year and second year groups belongs to S block. So therefore, we need to write these 5 points for any block. Let us understand the pattern of these 5 points. First point, the elements in which differentiating electrons enters into S orbital or S subcell are called S block. This is the first point. Second point, GEC. GEC means general electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration for S block elements is NS 1 to 10. Don't read 1 minus 10, it is 1 to 10. For first year group elements NS1 and second year group elements NS2. So we combined right for S block elements as NS 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Next, third point. They are placed in left side of the periodic table. And fourth one, it contains 2 groups, first A and second A groups. The first A group are called alkali metals and second A group are called alkali earth metals. And the last point in this section, they are highly positive and very soft metals. So let us understand this one, these 5 points, very similar to these 5 points, we are writing the P block elements. Here also we have 5 points. Number 1, in P block, in which the elements in which differentiating electron enters into P orbital is called P block, similar to the S block elements. And second point, general electronic configuration is NS2, NP126. And they are placed in right side of the periodic table. And the next one, it contains 6 groups from 13 to 18. 13th group is the first group in P block and 18th is the last group in the P block elements. Next one, they are metals, non-metals and metalloids. So these are the 5 points for P block. Let me explain. The next block is D block. Differentiating electron entering into penultimate cell. Penultimate cell or we call N-1D subcell. That's why these elements belongs to D block. The general electronic configuration for D block is N-1D 1 to 10 NS2. Not 1 minus 10, it is 1 to 10 NS2. Therefore, the differentiating electrons entering into N-1D subcell. And also, they are placed between S block and P block. It contains 10 groups from 3 to 12. And the last point in this is, they are all metals and they have variable oxidation states and they have magnetic properties as well. Next and final, we have F block. Similar to the remaining 3 blocks, here also we have 5 points. Anti-penultimate cell. That means the differentiating electron entering into anti-penultimate cell or N-2 F subcell. So the general electronic configuration is very important for this F block. N-2 F1 to 14, N-1 0 D0 to 1 NS2. They are placed at the bottom of the periodic table and it contains lanthanides and actinides. The lanthanides are 14 elements which comes after lanthanum and actinides are 14 elements which comes after actinium. So they are all metals and oxidation state for this F block elements are +3 because these two lanthanide series and actinide series belongs to that group. That's why the oxidation state is +3. So therefore here we have completed the how to write the blocks, the classification of blocks in the periodic table. Thank you.